I'm Dan Heubschmann, Corporate Executive Chef for Gibson's Restaurant Group. As diverse as our steak offerings are, our customers' preferences are just as diverse. Aussie grass-fed has become the preference of many of our customers, and we've seen annual sales growth by more than 45%. So over the years, we tried many different grass-fed cattle programs. Most didn't meet that rich, clean flavor profile we know our customers appreciate. While grading standards and criteria vary greatly from region to region, country to country, what we found with the Australian program, it led to a better flavor and tenderness. The amount of age that you can put on grass-fed beef from Australia without distorting its flavor surpasses that of all these other programs we've tried. So it results in an unbelievably tender, flavorful product. What I picked up on with the Australian grass-fed beef industry, having witnessed it, was the unwavering commitment to animal welfare, the commitment of the producers to give and receive feedback in an effort to continually improve quality. And I think that really has driven me to have a great appreciation for the Australian beef industry. Our Aussie grass-fed appeals to the health conscious in pursuit of healthier options, to those who are in pursuit of a great tasting tender steak, and it appeals to those who are in pursuit of supporting positive animal welfare. We are experiencing return customers from that who are zeroing in on the grass-fed Australian, and we think that's really cool.